everyone, it's me Pawankali Balika from grade 92. Today I'm going to show how to make a balloon rockets and how it works. So we just need some balloons, threader, tape and straw. Now we are just attaching the straw in the balloon and we are going to show how it works and how it moves. Now we are going to show how it works. You can see it here. Air is coming towards to me and balloon is going forward to my friends, and it's also proved that Newton's third law of motion. You know that's Newton's third law of motion. Every action has a equal and opposite reaction, and here is just some examples of a Newton's third law of motion. And its name is Newton Pendulum, and it works like that. You can see here. This is also like I do in here. These marbles are coming towards to me and another marble going forward toward the another backward sides. And thank you so much. This is